Last month I made $280,000 Shopify dropshipping. This month I made zero. And why did I make zero? Because I found something better, something that you can get started with $0 up front, and you can get paid as soon as this week. And if you don't believe me, jump into my computer for just 30 seconds. I'm gonna prove it to you right now. Come on. All right, what is up, guys? Welcome into my screen. What we're gonna do right now is press the refresh to prove to you that this is real, right? How are we making, close to $10,000 per day doing what I'm about to show you, right? You can see this is from today's date, right? 325 just a few minutes ago, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. You can see the transfer to bank account, $11,000 from yesterday, right? But that's not important. What is important is how do you do this, right? This is an ad right here from an everyday real estate agent, right? Every big real estate agent in the world needs ads on Facebook, whether or not they know they do. And the smart real estate agents, the ones who are getting a ton of leads, who are converting to home buyers and making them a fortune, right? Those are the ones who understand the power of Facebook ads. But the problem is those real estate agents don't know how to do Facebook ads themselves. So what they're doing is they're paying people like me, and hopefully you, if you realize what a ridiculous opportunity this is, they're paying people like me thousands of dollars every single month to set up very simple Facebook ads just like this one. This ad literally would have taken 5 minutes or less to set up. It's just using a photo that the real estate agent provides with a very small amount of text right here, and people click if they're interested, and those people opt in, they give their emails. The real estate agent does all of the work following up and calling those people and setting appointments and doing all of that. All you have to do is connect the dots from A to B and set up very simple Facebook ads exactly like this one. But the one hard part is understanding how to target people correctly to actually get people to sign up for these ads and to, give them their phone numbers and give them their email addresses to the real estate agents so they can actually become leads and make those real estate agents money. And when you make the real estate agent money, they're happy and they want to pay you more. So what we're going to do is we're putting on a completely free training where we're going to be breaking down exactly how to actually understand the basics of Facebook, which is all you need to set up ads just like this one. Understanding the basics and how to actually target for real estate agents, for insurance agents, for doctors, for all of these cash-rich businesses that need Facebook ads but have no idea and don't have the time to actually learn them, themselves. And so what they're going to do is they're going to hire you and me to actually come in and do very basic ads just like this one and pay you thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part is it takes no money to get started. It only takes information inside of your brain, and you can literally get paid as soon as today, right? This is one of my students right here. Clint made over $400,000 from my program using the same exact strategies. This is John, right? He made $1,000 his first day literally using the strategies that we're about to show you inside of the free training. So don't be like 99% of people who watch ads just like this on YouTube and don't take any action, right? Be the 1% who actually takes the leap of faith, right? What do you have to lose? Take 30 minutes of your time. Check this out. If you think it's, not cool, don't actually follow through. If you think it's interesting and you understand how this has actually totally changed the lives of thousands of my students, then check it out and we'll see if we can make you my next biggest success story. So what you need to do right now is click the link, somewhere on your screen, join our free training, right? We're going to be going over exactly step by step what you need to do to start making $1,000, $2,000 every single month like clockwork, setting up very simple ads exactly like this one. So register for our training. I want you to become my next biggest student success story, and we'll see you inside of the training.